election officer, what recommendations you can give in order to have good governance in Barugong?
So that's a very good question. Every election, if we can only listen to the campaigns on every candidate, you can hear promises, all good promises. You cannot hear bad promises actually. That's natural or obvious because every candidate wants to solicit votes. So it's natural for them to court the people or give promises which I don't know if they will be followed. So my recommendation is the changes must begin with the populace or the constituents. During election, they must obtain their what we call the their noble votes cannot be bought or cannot be influenced by any candidate. That's one thing. The changes must begin with the people first. Secondly, those candidates also have expressed their promises. It's better that they will start to keep with their promises and start serving the people with honesty. Because if there is no honesty in a public official, there will be some what we call this discrepancy in their service to the people, in which they have promised something, good promises. So as a whole, or in conclusion, we can only achieve good governance if all the candidates, the people must work together.